No jumping move.
Caught you a gramming. Tips up.
Cha. All right.
Jimmy Woods?
Should we drill it?
You want to do it? It might be thin.
I think it's gonna. Let's see how this is, because if it's gonna suck to move through this, it's gonna suck to move through that.
All right.
Going through the tower?
Huh?
Going through the tower?
Oh, the cell tower?
Yeah. What do you think?
You can try.
Let's see how it is when we get
Kind of slow for that.
slow?
Yeah, I think so.
Might get some good turns in there though.
They're all good turns.
No one else is getting good turns today in the woods. I'm just saying, I'm down for whatever.
So you want to unstrap and hop over?
I think I do.
Okay.
You want to go over here because you get more of a drop. What do you think?
I'm letting you lead the way.
Okay.
Strap in?
Yeah. I want to try hitting on that cushion right there. But I don't think I'm gonna have enough speed.
Didn't cover.
Here goes nothing. Good boy.
Find some rocks.
And we stuck. I think we should push through, because you think you could hike this again?
Do we want to?
I think we'll get a better run out of it. I did get the rock though, which is kind of cool.
Hike it to do this section again?
Yeah, just this little. If not, hike out. But if so, if we push a trail, I think we'll be able to make it at least. I'll push.
I'm just thinking about which way I want to go.
Yeah. The flattest way there is. Oh no.
Push lower. Oh, blasted the camera. Trying to stop there?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks great. Sorry, GoPro. You're meant to get wet.
Yeah, you get wet, can't they?
Boom.
Alright, let's see how bad this goes.
That's fucking cool.
Dude, I think we leave our shit right here. I mean, it's really not that bad.
Let's do a couple laps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll give you a follow cam too.
Cool.
Windy out here.
We want to like kind of line up on this thing at the same time.
Yeah, I'm gonna get.
You don't end up too far behind.
I'm gonna get close to you. You're good. You're good where you are. I'm just gonna be right behind you though.
Ready?
Yep.
1,
2, 3, go. Come on.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
Wasn't sure I was gonna land that, so thanks for stopping.
Yep.
Guess you can hike back from there. Sorry. Did you fall too, or you just stopped because I fell?
Stopped because I couldn't go any farther.
Oh.
I don't know. I've never thought of this before. I guess because all the other times I've hiked, there hasn't been any snow. This has been on Hellgate, you know?
So I'd say get up by the edge so I can get up by the tree, and I'll push off the tree.
Get enough room? Alright, yeah, maybe stop at the top of the cliff again.
Okay.
Just
Don't run you over?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, here goes nothing.
You were so far ahead of me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I got that one pretty good.
You can try it again.
Alright, maybe I'll bring our bags up.
If you want, I can film it from right here.
Alright, that sounds like a plan. Fuck! God damn it. That sucks. That kind of hurt. Alright. Look, kidney shot.
Finished with this one?
Definitely.
Okay.
Oh boy. We freaking tired.
Rigged up with the camera. I feel like this every day.
Yeah, you want to follow you?
Sure. I can do a little selfie cam there. It's already recording. Unless
Okay.
you hit the button and it stopped it. Is it blinking
No, it's
red?
blinking.
Cool.
Yeah, it's going.
Top left. I don't know where I'm going.
Well, I'm following you, so. Oh. Huh? Okay. Right.
Better not lay down there too long. Somebody might run you over.
You want to switch?
Sure.
What do you think? Should we try?
Eisenhower or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm into that.
It might get us a little closer. Actually, it might be a little more work
Flatter
to get.
at the end,
Yeah.
Maybe we should just do Kennedy's.
Yeah, I think.
Out. How many people gone down? Like 10?
Yeah, not enough. Let's do it.
Here we go. You know, just kind of cutting across and shit. Savor it.
All right.
You know, kind of race down. Switch? I don't want to be hogging.
Doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
I could switch with you at the top of the next big drop. Sound good?
That being kind of like where this reunites with the chair.
Right where we pretty much stopped last time. When we first got up to the top of that first big pitch.
I think I know.
Yep.
here?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go? You want to cut through the woods or straight? Uh-oh. Time to hike up again.
Yeah. Let's hike back up now.
Yeah, let's go to the car.
Someone's still out there.
We might live here. In the Comanche. They're getting that free parking while it lasts.
Man, that was fucking fun. I wanted to kill myself on the way up, but it was definitely worth it.
We made it.
And like I said, once we got past like that first hill right here to like where B unloads, I felt like we were moving a lot quicker.
You felt good.
Kind of found my stride. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Kind of found my stride, if you will.
Yeah, I knew we had it, but some parts were just
Yeah.
All right. Beer time.
Fucking beer time.
Again.